Okay, we're going to find the length of the short side using Pythagoras' theorem. Now this time we're going to use the formula around this way because we want to find either the A side or the B side. So you want your unknowns on the left. Okay, so in this triangle we've got here's our hypotenuse here, longest side. Now each of these are short sides, so it doesn't matter which one we do first. And so we can put our relationship as b squared plus 9 squared equals 15 squared. Okay, we're going to rearrange that before we go to our calculator. So we know b squared equals 15 squared minus 9 squared. And taking the square root of both sides, b is the square root. Now once again I'll put brackets in case you've got one of the older calculators. Square root of 15 squared minus 9 squared. Now you always know you've got it right if you're finding a short side and you have a minus sign under the square root. So working that out, we get b is equal to 12 centimeters. So we now know this side is 12 centimeters. So here we have another one that works out evenly. And so here is another Pythagorean triple. 9, 12, 15. In fact, if you divide each of those by 3, you get a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So that's your same, it's just everything multiplied by 3, so it's still your 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. Okay, so when finding a short side, there is always a minus sign under the square root sign. Okay, let's do one with some decimals in it. Okay, we have to find the A side, which is one of the short sides. We know the 12.4 is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. And so we can write our relationship as A squared plus 3.2 squared equals 12.4 squared. Rearrange. A squared equals 12.4 squared minus 3.2 squared. A is the square root of 12.4 squared minus 3.2 squared. Now you may or may not need that bracket. Going to your calculator, you find that the answer is A is 11.979. It's going to be meters. Check if it's sensible. It can't be any more than 12.4 because that's always the longest side. Yes, that looks sensible. So now I'm going to round it to 1 dp. So A is equal to 7 brings that there up to a 10. So it'll be 12.0 meters 1 dp. Excellent.